Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the YOUCANIC scanner to turn on your fan right there. So let's take a look. What you want to do is you want to select your make and model, then you come to control unit, go to drive, go to motor electronics. The next thing is to go to active tests, scroll down to engine and AC electric suction fan with integrated control M4/7. So on a different model it might have a slightly different name. You can see the load right now. I have it on at 50%, but you can press plus, go to up to about 90%. And you can actually hear that. You can hear the fan, and then you can go down all the way down to 20%, 10% actually. And so I said lower limit is reached. One thing to keep in mind, ignition needs to be on. Engine does not need to be started, but ignition does have to be on. Your dash lights should be on when you are running this test. And that's it. Pretty simple. You can check the fan. Just make sure there's nothing there on the fan, because so you don't get injured or anything like that. The fan. Test it. Make sure you can spin fairly before you run this test. Sometimes the fan could be seized up. So if you spin it before you even turn on the ignition or do anything to turn it on, make sure that the fan can spin. If the fan does not spin, the fan itself, fan motor can be faulty. You could also have wiring issues, less likely, but it's possible. And also the fan relay can also be defective. Those are three of the most common issues. And then of course there can be a few other ones, like a bad ECU, things of that nature. But most likely you're gonna start inspect that fan itself, because the fan motor goes bad quite often. That's it. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.